Okay, friends. So continuing further since last video, there is 10 minutes limitation. So that I spoke many things, but it is all lost because 10 minutes limitation. So I'll continue again. So what we saw this, we take a string. Anybody can learn Python programming, but must practice every day. Then when I made s dot split, it is converted into list. I offer one letter L for that. So it is stored in L. I printed L, and we can see that. Now I want to showcase what we are doing. This first index, I want to do indexing. First index is, say, it is the 0th, then next is first and all the way. So let's make something to showcase that way. Why only we should tell by word that this is the first? It should also come in the program also. We should make some program on this one. So already we saw that I denote one index is equal to anything, just like count. I say here index, it can be any letter. I for -1, and we are using for loop for I in L colon, and index is equal to index plus 1, print I. We have seen that, so it prints all these things. But I want to showcase this indexing. So what can I do here? Thanks to this, we can edit this thanks to this ID. So I will do here index. So this become a string, and comma, then index. Difference is that this is just a string, and this index is the one we have denoted. Then I will come, but for neatness I put here one colon, and after that I must put a comma, then I. So I want to see what it will give. Control enter, that is run. Aha, this is good. This is what I wanted. I wanted to show that in that list, this, what we say, the first element is 0 index. This is what I wanted. So here index 0 is anybody, and I put this colon for neatness, otherwise it will become crowded. This is readability point of view. So we have seen the length of this is 10, and here are this 10 index. This is the indexing. So that's fine, it goes interesting. This is the way we have to keep on playing around, and for that we need some ID where you can edit and check. So that's why I give this -1. Now you'll understand. If I had given it 0, then what would happen? Then first index would have been 1, so which is not what we want to show. We want to show first should be 0. That's why I gave this -1. Now you can understand what was the policy behind that. Okay, index 0, that's fine. Now what editing, playing around, this is what our today's game. So I want to do same thing in our original string. So I will change quickly. Everything is same, program is same, everything fine, same. Only I want to see in S. So earlier we saw the len S is equal to 64, right? We can check one more time. If I say len S, print len, that means length of S, how much it is. I remember it was 64 something, or 64, fine. So now I have edited this, and I want to see how it will show. Interesting. You see, 64 letters it can go. So first one is A, and it goes up to 6, and the space is the 7th one, and it counts all the way 64. So 64 is including that spaces, and here last is 63. Why? Because the first one is 0th. So 63 plus that 0 element, so total makes 64. So that is the way we are looking to this. And we can do now, we can even modify S around. Now what I will do, this S, I will change it to excuse me,